We're coming into town and you were driving on Madison.
A calm night, a driver heading home, but within seconds, red and blue lights appear in his rearview mirror. What begins with a claim of tinted windows soon spirals into accusations, speeding, weaving, tailgating. Each question from the officer meets a firm yet respectful reply. The driver stands his ground, aware of his rights, refusing to be pushed into silence. What unfolds next is a tense standoff between knowledge and authority.
Working. I gotta go to work tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? I gotta work 12 hours. You working right now? Don't you want to go home, motherfucker? I want to go to work so I can be wanting to go home. Get the fuck out of here, man. Let's go. Sitting calling backup, doing all this extra shit. You know that weird shit, man. Go home, man. You ain't got nothing to do out here. Go home. You're not finna find anything. Your instincts are not 100. So let's go.
Like I said, I test the windows for you. So if you want to roll your window up about that far, I have 22. I'm gonna roll your back one down halfway. 15 right there and 15 right there. These have to allow 35%. These have to allow 50%.
Okay.
And when you were coming into town, you were.
I mean, whatever you saying, you saying. I ain't finna argue about nothing. We just go to court about it. I mean, it's all good.
You were weaving when you were coming into town and you were driving on Madison.
Like I said, you was behind me, man. Okay. You drove up so fast behind me. Hmm? You drove up fast behind me like that because look, you hit a U-turn, right? You were going this way. You were going northbound, and then you hit a U-turn, and then you jump behind me.
Cleared from a traffic stop.
Exactly, and then I guess you want to pull somebody else over and see me, so you jumped behind me, and you were tailgating me. So my eyes are on you, so I didn't even see the sign. Now I drive these parts all the time, okay. And I seen you, and when I see tailgate, because I try to be a safe driver, when people tailgate me, I usually pull over and let them go past. You know what I'm saying? So when you was doing that, my attention was on you, so I didn't pay attention to the sign. So then when I seen the signs, that's when I slowed down, and you seen that because you was right behind me.
Yeah,
when I slowed down.
You were well into the city where
right.
25
you can say well in the city. We just got there. We was over there by the car lot, up there by the car lot.
Right.
That's where it changed at.
Yeah,
that's not well. That's not well in the city. Well in the city is like by the stoplights. That's well in the city. All right.
You were past the
Come on, man. Come on. Words mean something, man. You just can't say anything.
Okay. What?
I said words mean something. You just can't say. You were saying well in the city.
You were well past the sign.
Okay.
So right. You were past the sign. 25 starts where that sign is.
Okay.
You were past it.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, you can say that. All right. Yeah.
So you don't want to tell me where you're coming from tonight?
Huh?
You don't want to tell me where you're coming from tonight?
I don't have to, because I don't mean nothing about that had nothing to do with my tinted windows or the speed I was going.
Okay. It has everything to do with the reason of the stop. Courts have ruled that that's a valid question for us to ask.
But I don't have to tell you though.
No, you don't have to tell me.
Exactly.
Okay, so interesting time.
Are you done with the tinted?
The stop may have ended, but the questions remain. Was the officer's tailgate a tactic or a coincidence? Did the driver's awareness of the law prevent a misuse of power? One thing is certain, staying informed can shift the entire course of such encounters. If this made you think twice, hit like, share your thoughts, and never hesitate to stand for your rights. See you in the next video. Stay alert, stay empowered. One evening, one driver, one sudden stop. A routine drive turns into a heated face-off. Tinted windows, alleged speeding, and tailgating claims spark the fire. But this driver isn't backing down. Calm voice, sharp mind. He questions every accusation, highlights every detail. Was it about safety or something deeper? Watch as the balance of power meets the weight of knowledge on the side of the road.
Hey guys.
Not much, how are you?
Good, thanks. Hey, I just stopped because you cut that car off from you.
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
You signaled and made a lane change. Oh, no.
What's that?
No, sir. It seems to me that you've seen me go by the stoplight.
Ma'am, I need your ID too.
And you stopped me just because you've seen what I look like? Because I didn't break any law.
Yeah.
The one's following us.
Is anybody on probation or parole?
Nope.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
No, he's not.
Are you on probation
No.
or parole? Okay, and you guys are refusing to give me your IDs, right?
I thought that they didn't have to give you their ID if you just stopped me for a traffic violation.
So, are you going to give it to me or not?
Can you call your lieutenant or sergeant here?
I'm the sergeant.
Okay, can you call your superior here?
No, he's not working. I'm the top rank right now.
So what did you stop me for?
So are you going to
what's
give me
the
your IDs
reason?
or are we going to go through all
You
this?
have my ID and I was driving.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to her and to you.
Didn't I tell you no already? You got rocks in your ear? Give me your ID since we have nothing to hide so we can go on our way. No, you're not going to violate my right.
It wouldn't be a
But-
violation
And
of
what
your
vehicle
So,
did
sure it
we?
would be. I have a question though, because you're at a stoplight heading this way. Anything to you. Hold on.
rights. You guys,
You're at a stoplight heading this way. I passed you. As soon as you seen me, You actually made an illegal change because you were in the turning lane, waited for the light to turn as it changed, and then you cut everybody off to get behind me.
Correct.
I'm not going to leave just because you guys are recording.
No. We're not. I'm not asking you
We're
that.
not asking you to.
I'm just asking you, why did you really stop me? I didn't cut a car off.
You did. You didn't. You signaled like as you turned.
I signaled before I turned to get over because I'm gonna
200 feet.
I'm gonna turn right there. I'm not from here, so I didn't know that the turn's right there.
Thank you. And yours, sir?
You get nothing from me, sir. I told you you're not violating my rights.
Hop out of the car and stand.
What am I gonna get out of the car for? Rick.
I'm
not getting. Give me your ID. I'm obligated to nothing for you. I am not. Rick.
I'm not walking back to my car without you.
Give him your ID so we can get on our way. Rick, listen to me.
Rick, give it to me.
Give him the fucking ID so we can go on our way. Rick,
Hold on.
give this motherfucker the ID.
I'm not driving.
Rick, give it to him.
Nothing to do with this stuff.
Hey, listen, sir.
He's obligated, not me.
And
Sir,
please
what?
don't
Do not
touch him.
touch me, yes.
Don't touch
I
him.
promise you. If
not
I'm
touch
telling
me.
you to get out, you need to get out.
No,
promise
you
you, no, I do
grabbing
not.
my door and opening it?
Yeah, you do not.
You do not need to do that.
You don't need to touch that door.
Hey, sir. You'll be placed under arrest right now just for
For what though?
For what?
Okay, stepping up, put your hands behind
For
your back.
what? What is he doing?
Yeah, what am I under arrest for?
Behind.
Rick,
Hold on.
listen to me, Rick. Give me your ID so we can
Give
leave.
it to him.
Give him your ID
I want his
so we
name.
can leave.
He's not gonna
Listen to
violate
me.
my rights.
Okay, but so what?
Call your boss.
We already know how to
Call the
deal with
captain.
this.
Nope.
We already know how to
Call the
deal with
captain.
this. Rick,
You made this
listen
No, yeah,
to
we
me.
do. Call the
Listen
captain.
to me,
You're
Rick.
not the highest ranking motherfucker here
Rick,
right now.
brother,
in San Bernardino Valley.
listen to me.
Or
Rick.
county.
Now.
So call your captain, call your
Rick.
boss, call your superior. I don't give a fuck. You're gonna call
Rick.
someone.
Let's go to the lake. Give him your ID. Let's go to the lake.
No, he's calling someone above him. He is not the top ranked person here in
promise you,
San
I'm the
Bernardino
top-ranked
County.
person.
Just give him your fucking ID. You ain't got nothing to...
You should know.
Let him violate
I
your
am
rights.
not required to give you
Listen to
anything.
your friend.
No, you're not going to violate my rights. I'm not going to do anything just because you think it's right. No, I don't owe
And
you
next
my
time?
ID. Tell me the law that says I got to give you my ID.
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
No, that's not the law.
It is a law.
No,
You
I'm
can
not
look it up on
driving
your
this
phone right now.
vehicle.
Look it up on your phone.
No, I'm not going to look up the phone bit. I am not driving the vehicle. I got nothing.
So, as him as a passenger, as I'm being stopped for a traffic stop, he has to ID?
Yeah, no, I do not.
Is that true?
Sir,
Can you tell me the law?
we're asking you a question, sir. Yes.
It's not my traffic stop.
But is that the law that he has to ID himself?
You can ask him the questions. It's not my traffic.
Okay, then get off my fucking car. Don't touch my car. Don't touch my car. Don't touch my car.
What's your problem?
It's not your stop, so don't touch my car.
What's
Because
your
the
name
way
and
that
badge number?
your partner
Rick.
opened my car door.
That's number name right here.
Or Casillas? Rick, let him run your ID. You got nothing to
Let
hide.
him.
It's right there. You
Let's go to the
We
lake.
understand that. We got it.
You know, he was headed the opposite way at the stoplight. As soon as he seen what I looked like, he blocked traffic just to stop me, and then lied and said that I cut a car off.
And then we stopped. at
Even the
red light.
locals pulled up
The
and said,
locals
"He's
"Hey, they're
harassing
on
you."
What did you guys do? Understood. So when he steps back, step to the side.
What is your name?
Sergeant Abernathy.
Sergeant Abernathy.
Badge number?
2? So you stopped me because you said I cut off a car?
And for tailgating.
And for tailgating.
Your ticket.
Has nothing to do with when I passed you and you said that what I look like?
At what?
You have something hanging in your rear mirror.
Of course you would. Don't touch my car.
Hey there.
Yep.
Here's your ID back.
Thank you very much.
And this is your ID. This is your citation today. You're getting cited for tailgating, not having insurance, and making an unsafe lane change. Here's your signature right here in the red box. It's not admitting guilt. It's just a promise to appear in court.
You have
choose to do so.
dash cam video?
No.
No, not on your car? I do in mine.
Okay.
Where am I signing?
In the red box.
So you don't need my insurance.
Huh?
You don't need proof of my insurance. This guy just said I could.
You had it.
No, I didn't.
You said you couldn't find it.
We gave you the opportunity to provide it and you didn't.
We're not gonna sit here and wait all day.
There's a timeline in how long she has to find it?
Yeah, if you're delaying us,
Okay.
you're going to be arrested.
Get the
All
fuck
right.
out of here.
That's fine. Don't even worry about it.
Copy.
That's it. We're done.
Have a wonderful
I'm free to
day.
go.
Yep.
I'll see you again.
Yeah,
Try not to harass anybody today.
Yeah.
Uphold the law. Don't harass people.
The road may be empty now, but the questions still echo. Was it justice or just pressure? The driver stood tall, every word measured, every right remembered. This isn't just about one stop. It's about staying aware, staying smart, and knowing how to respond when it matters. Share your thoughts. And if you stand for your rights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.